What separates a project manager from an effective project leader? It's not just certifications, tools, or technical knowledge, though those help. What truly sets effective leaders apart is their ability to align people, purpose, and execution. In this lecture, we'll explore the key traits, behaviors, and mindset that make a project leader effective in real-world environments. Clear vision and strategic thinking. Effective leaders don't just manage tasks, they connect the dots between project goals and the bigger picture. They understand why the project exists, how it supports organizational strategy, what success truly looks like. They can articulate the why to the team and stakeholders. This clarity creates alignment, motivation, and better decision-making. Example: this app helps reduce call center load by 40%. That frees up resources and improves customer experience. They frame the work in terms of impact, strong communication. Great project leaders are great communicators. They set clear expectations, keep everyone informed, listen actively, and ask good questions. Adapt their style based on audience. They don't just report, they engage. They don't just speak, they listen. Effective leaders bring calm, clarity, and facts to the table during high-stakes moments like scope changes, delays, or conflict. Here's a tip. Use weekly check-ins, quick status updates, and simple visuals for consistent, digestible communication. Emotional intelligence. Project leaders deal with people under pressure. Emotional intelligence is key. It means recognizing, managing, and influencing emotions. This includes self-awareness, empathy, conflict resolution. Staying calm when others aren't. Emotional intelligence helps build trust, reduce tension, and lead through uncertainty. Scenario: instead of scolding a developer for missing a deadline, say, "I noticed you seemed overloaded last sprint. Want to walk through what happened and how I can help rebalance things?" Decision-making under pressure. Projects are full of unknowns. Effective project leaders make timely decisions with the best data, involve others when appropriate, own their choices, are willing to course correct. They balance logic and intuition. They learn from every decision, good or bad. Tool to use. The effort impact matrix can help you prioritize options during chaotic moments. Stakeholder management. Project success often hinges on stakeholder alignment, not just internal performance. Effective leaders identify key stakeholders early, understand their needs, communicate regularly and proactively, manage up, not just across or down. They build trust with sponsors and handle politics with maturity. Practical move: use a stakeholder map and engagement plan to stay organized and intentional. Building and leading teams. An effective leader turns a group into a cohesive team by clarifying roles, creating psychological safety, encouraging collaboration, celebrating progress and learning. They know how to energize the team in tough sprints and reset after setbacks. Key behaviors: giving credit, being transparent, leading with consistency and fairness. Adaptability: projects rarely go exactly to plan. Effective leaders embrace change, adjust timelines and priorities, stay solutions focused, learn and evolve with every project. Adaptability isn't about being passive. It's about being flexible while still driving toward the goal. Mindset shift. Treat the plan as a guide, not a cage. Credibility and follow-through. Credibility is the foundation of trust. Effective leaders do what they say, own mistakes, model behaviors they ask from others. Reminder: every small action, like arriving on time or replying to a message, either adds to or subtracts from your credibility bank. Focus on outcomes, not just outputs. An effective leader asks, are we just completing deliverables or solving the real problem? They push beyond ticking boxes to measure actual value. They track not just if something is done, but if it works. Example: don't stop at "we delivered the training." Ask, did performance improve after the training? Continuous growth and reflection. Effective project leaders are always learning. They reflect after meetings, gather feedback, attend workshops, keep journals. They see every project as a chance to grow. Leadership is not a static skill. It evolves with each challenge, mistake, and success. Summary and takeaways. So what makes a project leader effective? It's a combination of clear vision, strong communication, emotional intelligence, confident decision-making, stakeholder alignment, team building, adaptability, personal integrity, outcome focus, continuous learning. No one is perfect in all areas. The best leaders are intentional. They know where they're strong and where they're still growing. You don't need formal authority to lead. You need clarity, empathy, credibility, and the will to serve the team and the mission. The good news? Every one of these traits can be learned and practiced. Start by choosing one area from this list to improve in your next project. You'll be surprised how much influence a small shift can have. See you in the next lecture.